Dear Rotarians, greetings from Rotarian Kajal Lalwani from Rotary Club of Chennai, Noble Hearts. I present to you a unique family program which your club can host as a fundraiser. Introducing you to Leadership Awakening, a program where management and leadership concepts explained using music as a metaphor. And in our family version, where we treat family as an organization. We are all business leaders and run our organizations successfully. But have we ever thought that our own family can become a replica of an organization? What brand of leadership is needed to keep the family intact? What is the purpose of each family member? Is family a team? Is collaboration, cooperation, coordination, teamwork and trust really needed in a family? Dear friends, in this Leadership Awakening program, learning shall be experiential, participative and engaging through live music performances, videos and storytelling. I present to you the concepts, glimpses and testimonials of Leadership Awakening, a Learning Soil Edu production. Thank you.
कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है।
कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है।
दो पल की जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं।
Let's come to harmony. When you inject emotion into melody, you create harmony. Now, as a singer, what is my team? My team is my brain, my vocal cord, these 7 notes which we talked about, and I have an ecosystem. My musicians, my co-singer, the person managing the sound, my sound engineer, that's my ecosystem. And using that, I need to create music. Let me also give you an example of innovation. For example, let's hear this song again. एक प्यार का नगमा है. Lata ji has sang this like this. कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है. She had a particular situation. It was a movie, it was a meter, there were 2 artists and there was a particular time frame within which she had to sing this. Today I was singing this. Situation was different. I have a live band with me, I have a live audience and I wanted to do something different. So what did I do? I sang it like this. कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है. It's different. So what did I do? There were 3 things which I did. 1, I wanted to do something different. I wanted to create something which is different from what it is. That want is important. Second, the critical thinking. Yes, I want to do it, but what I will do? That is very important. That the critical thinking, the imagination, the creativity is very important. And third, I need to have the depth of domain to do it. I need to master classical music to carry that out.
So ladies and gentlemen, these are three very, very important and crucial things which is required to do innovation.
As leaders, we have our own vision and mission. We need to run our own race. We should not look at others, especially if it creates envy and jealousy. We are our own competitors. In fact, 500 years ago, this concept was there with Sant Tulsidas. He wanted to figure out and compare Rama's face with something. Anybody else would have said, see, Rama's face is like a lotus, or Rama's face is like a moon or sun. But Tulsidas being Tulsidas, after searching everything, he accepted defeat and he said that Rama's face can only be compared with Rama's face. So, your competition is with you. And that concept is an Indian concept, ladies and gentlemen, 500 years ago.
तुलसीदास अति आनंद, तुलसीदास अति आनंद, निरखे बुखार बिंद। तुलसीदास अति आनंद, निरखे बुखार बिंद। रघुबर छवि के समान, रघुबर छवि के समान, रघुबर मुख बनिया तुमक चलत रामचंद्र। एक हसीना थी,
That's the spirit.
एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र, क्या समा, क्या जमाना था।
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं।
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम, वो इरादा। क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम, वो इरादा।
I think learning soil has really make all of us learn a lot of things today. I'm very happy for my students, or my faculty, because they experienced a very unique kind of program.
Actually, I really want to thank you so much. I want to say that this is the best leadership activity I've ever experienced.
So Arnab Malik conducts a fantastic event which is really worth listening to, worth attending and worth being a part of. He combines music with management, mixes the two and creates a synergy so beautifully that it's really something to be attended to by every staff member, junior, senior and even at the executive level.
it's an interesting concept, trying to mix music which is ingrained in the DNA of Indians, comparing that with the leadership in a platform like here, Indian Marching Chambers. So it's a beautiful fusion, and I'm sure it's going to go a long way.
Amazing session on leadership awakening by Arnav and Supriya. I was just completely mesmerized by seeing the concept they have used of leadership and management concept through music. The entire session was zapped. We were not ready, even after the session we were like sitting what exactly they did. It was a complete jadoo on us.
I'm delighted to attend this program today. Arnav and Supriya, both of them have absolutely delightful voices. They are just too engaging, very captivating, and they have really a very good mastery over music. And when music combined with management, this is a very unique and very innovative program that Arnav has come up with, and it was a wonderful experience.
It was something very enlightening, something very unique, and something very holistic.
I think over the years, I have attended so many of them, reaching the evening of life almost now. I was just mentioning to my boss, Mr. Sambasivan, among so many programs that we've had, we've never experienced something so phenomenal in terms of the various facets that you have covered with such good music. We're very touched that management can be taught.
The program conducted by Mr. Arnav Malik is a unique in itself. It's the merging of music with leadership concepts. Just 1.5 hours that he has presented before the entire team of HR fraternity of NTPC has totally mesmerized all the audiences to the extent that they were totally unaware of how the time flies away.